Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to change that format. So as example, I will type that at these cells. You can type 01/01/2025. Now if you want to change this that format, you can select the cells of that, go to number, and in here you can see we have two options for that, short that or long that. Another option, you can click more number formats, click, and will be show for format cells dialog box. And in here you can change for the format, like I will use this option, and you can click OK to apply. The other option, you also can use the right click and then choose the format cells and go to that, and you can change for the that format, click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to change that format. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.